So, I got a new car. This is my new car. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the inside. So, there's like this thing, and it has like these controllers and these like button. This one controls the window, and then this one is for the back trunk, and then this is the thing that you turn, and then this you can connect this to the Bluetooth in your phone, so that's cool. And this is the car, and then in the back seat is like just this thing and this thing to put that, and then that. So.
Oh yeah, I'll get it for you. You want me to pay your phone? You want me to pay your phone?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, do that. Turn the car on.
Then the front of the car is like this. And then this is my man.
What's up?
And this is my other friend. This is the car I wanted, but my mom wouldn't get it. And then now she's pink. Also, it has a Bluetooth that connects to your phone. There's a heater, an air conditioning thing, the wheel. This controls that. And then there's like a warning that the doors in the child's safe. That. And yeah, so it's brand new. And this is the front of the car. Oh, I know I need to show them the trunk. How big it is. But I don't know how to open it. Let me try. How do you open the trunk? Mommy. Hey, Alex. How do you open the trunk? I don't know how to.
In case you want to do it again with another phone, you can have like multiple phones.
No clue how to do it, but the trunk has a little space, and so yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up if you like this car, and make sure you come check out this place. It's called the Nissan Place, and make sure you go check out this place, and maybe you want to buy this car. So love you guys, and always remember to celebrate life.